Doge, I was long from the, so that's the other thing is like on this big move out of Doge, like alts ran super hard a couple weeks ago. And everyone was like kind of feeling sidelined and FOMOing. And the thing to remember is you can always just like, if something's bullish, it's just going to flag, right? And you can catch the flag breaking out, right? You can catch that high volume breakout day on a flag. And that's personally where I long Doge originally, where I didn't get the size that I wanted, but this thing gave a really nice 4-hour candle. And then you got continuation through this little wedge flag. I went long, right? Still in profit. I wanted to add to my Doge position. My thought process was I want a 5-day correction, 5 to 7-day correction, similar to what we had back here, right? But my target didn't get hit. So maybe if we get that 92K big or 97K Bitcoin, this will look something like this, right? And I can long it down here. It'll just be a longer, deeper correction. But regardless, like you don't have to feel sidelined. There's always an opportunity to get long again. I mean, I guess you could have just longed through, here. You could honestly like you could probably long Doge here and be fine. The only reason I hesitate is because like Bitcoin's just at that 110K ask. And I think that's why alts aren't moving yet. If Bitcoin can just get a little bit of momentum here, I think alts will eventually follow. Like ideally, you want to see Bitcoin just put in a 10% daily candle and then cool down, and you see alts run and play catch up. So that would be like, if tomorrow's a 10% daily candle, that'd be like 120K Bitcoin tomorrow, which again, it sounds crazy. Sounds crazy to say that, but when Bitcoin starts breaking out and moving above all-time highs, like you're going to see a lot of FOMO and a lot of volume rush in. And you can move to 115, 120, 125 a lot faster than you think. Like a lot of people weren't here and I agree. Like with Mag, he's saying that the 2017 bull market was the craziest ever, but also one of the most aggressive, like locked in I've ever seen Bitcoin, like where just Bitcoin iced everything else out. It was the only thing moving for days. Like I remember ETH was just not moving during this period. And after Bitcoin broke all-time highs, Bitcoin ran 115% with no break. And it's like we're not even this extended yet. And people are saying Bitcoin's overextended. We're knocking on the doors of prior all-time highs, but we're 50% off the lows. This like Bitcoin was already 100% off the lows, aggressively moving with no pullbacks into prior all-time highs, and then it ripped through all-time highs. And the next daily candle that broke all-time highs was like a 9% candle. We're gonna zoom in. So like not every all-time high break is like this, but I do think there's a chance that we do get that scenario.